I love how it says live, but then it's got the whirly gig. You can't keep running on fumes and calling it strength. Hmm. And you can't heal if you keep hurrying. Those two truths hit me like a freight train one day because I used to think strength meant pushing through no matter what until I realized I was pushing myself right into exhaustion. If that hits a little too close to home, you're not alone. I've been there too. Hey friends, I'm Claudette Eames, certified mental wellness coach and entrepreneur, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength naturally from the inside out. And tonight, I want to talk to you about something we really stop long enough to admit. Are you ready to admit? We've been living like our exhaustion is normal. But really, is it normal? We've been taught to measure our worth by how much we can handle. But our body, but you know, but your body, your mind, and your spirit, they're not built for constant overdrive. Do you feel that? I remember when I used to wake up already tired before my feet even hit the floor. I was running a mental marathon. What needs to be done? Who needs me? What's falling apart? And the crazy part, I thought that meant I was strong. I told myself, keep going, Claudette. People are counting on you. People were. But one night I hit a wall. I sat down and realized I couldn't remember the last time I felt truly good. Not productive, not fine, just good. That's when I heard the whisper that started to change everything. You can't heal if you keep hurrying. When I finally slowed down long enough to listen to myself, I started to notice what my body had been trying to tell me, not for just a few days, for years. This was like an ongoing thing. It's just what I did. Exhaustion isn't laziness, it's communication. Your body has been sending you signals, fatigue, tension, brain fog, not to punish you. Get your attention. Running on fumes doesn't make you strong, it makes you disconnected. Healing happens when you create that space. We think rest is optional. It's not. Rest is the environment where your body repairs. Your mind resets and your emotions recalibrate. Are you feeling this? When you slow down, your nervous system gets permission to shift from survival to healing. You can't fix what you won't feel. So many of us try to power through grief, through change, and through burnout. But you can't rebuild your strength until you give yourself permission to pause and actually feel what's been numbed out. And that's the difference between surviving and healing. One drains you, the other restores you. I'll take the restore side. So here's your personal turning point. I had to unlearn years of just keep going. And when I did, when I finally slowed down and focused on my gut-brain connection, I added real rest and nourishment. My energy started to come back. I almost didn't know what that was. Not the coffee kind of energy, the calm kind, the kind that fuels you without burning you out. That's when I realized you can't build peace on panic. You can't rebuild strength on stress. And you can't pour from empty cup. Not in your health, your relationships, or your purpose. So maybe tonight's your reminder. You've spent enough years running on fumes. Now it's time to refill. If this resonates, drop calm below. Let's start rebuilding your energy from the inside out, because health and wealth belong together. And real success doesn't drain you, it sustains you. And if you want to go a little deeper into what we talked about tonight, I linked one of my favorite blogs below. It's Energy Isn't Lost with Age, it's Built with Balance. It's probably like maybe a 4 to 5 minute read. That's on my blog. So this is the link is in the comments. Again, I'm Claudette Eames, and this month's we have a wellness event and a record-breaking Black Friday deals start now. Today's the day. So I'm calling it Black Friday Wellness Month because it started today and it goes for the rest of the month. And it's the perfect time to say yes to something that gives back to you. You can't heal if you keep hurrying, and you can't keep running on fumes and call it strength. Let this be the month you finally choose calm over chaos. Thanks for being here, and I look forward to talking to you soon. And if you're looking to connect for the event tonight, just put in their DM com and just, event link, whichever in there, and I'll watch for that, or private message me. And I look forward to connecting with you. Again, I'm Claudette.